Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have TECNO Spark 20 Pro and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application and press three dots on the right corner, where we choose Settings option and there Password Manager. Now we can, by the gear icon, we can turn on or turn off some function, but to manage password with our smartphone, remember, we have it there. We can press there and now we must enter our look screen to manage it. And there we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this size icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can also edit all by edit, and there we can write something or delete what you need, and the same story with passwords. We can also add note to our passwords, or we can go back to this menu, and we can delete all our smartphone. Remember, by delete and config by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.